everybody is invited this weekend to an open house. It's the first time that this has been open to the public in over 30 years. And Big Sean, thanks for everything. You're a good man. Thank you.
Thank you. Detroit, I love you so much.
Vlog number 22. I've done a lot of vlogs here in Detroit, but nothing compares with this open house of the Michigan Central Railway Station, a building that has been looted for 30 years and closed to the public for 30 years, but it still spoke of the glory of the former Detroit. From Travels with Lobo, you are viewing Detroit, America's great comeback city, and Lonely Planet's #2 city destination in 2018. Vlog number 22, Ford Open House, inside Michigan Central Railway Station, first time in 30 years. Thank you for having subscribed, but I want to remind you that in order to get notification of my new vlogs being published every Friday, you've got to click on that alert bell at least once. Now, that gray building in the middle that I mentioned turns out to be one of the most iconic abandoned buildings in the United States. The former railway station of Detroit. A marvel of architecture. Abandoned in 1988. Waiting to be resurrected in one form or other.
We'd like to start off with giving a big warm welcome to our new neighbor, the Ford Motor Company.
Back to what we're doing here today. This station is a symbol, but Ford's investment in Corktown is anything but symbolic. We're making a big bet on our future. What Highland Park, Willow Run, and the Rouge were to the American economy in the 20th century, we hope Corktown will be to the American economy in the 21st century.
For the comeback of Detroit, this is a game changer. Ford has just bought the Michigan Central Railway Station, an abandoned building where they hope to place the hub of their future mobility ventures, meaning driverless cars, not only cars, but also public transportation. They hope to place 2,500 employees in the Corktown district.
Thanks for having me.
Big Sean, that was fantastic. I wish you'd stick around all weekend because we got big plans. Everybody is invited this weekend to an open house. It's the first time that this has been open to the public in over 30 years. And Big Sean, thanks for everything. You're a good man. Thank you.
Thank you. Detroit, I love you so much.
The open house was on officially for 3 days, from Friday, June 22nd to Sunday, June 24th, and it drew massive crowds. I waited till the last hour to get there. The crowds were greatly diminished, and yet I had to wait in excess of an hour just to get in. And it begs the question, was it worth it? And well, yeah, it's self-explanatory, as you will see. And by the way, I didn't know this, but they added an extra day. So Monday, June 24th was actually the last day. hear the heartwarming story of the thief who returned the station clock stripped from the building many years ago. By the way, right there in the distance is the entrance of the railway tunnel that goes under the Detroit River to Windsor, Ontario, Canada. A report in today's Free Press indicates that the Ford Motor Company will be spending $750 million in the renovation of the station and the surrounding campus. Small change when you consider that Ford's best-selling F-150 truck takes in $1 million a day. Join me next week for vlog number 23 when I report on the biggest mega project in the Detroit area ever. And don't forget to hit that alert button, and if you watched it up to this point, why not give it a thumbs up? Thank you.